I'm not saying I'll never look homeless again. I just decided not to look homeless today. Hello, hi, namaste. Welcome back to another Sunday and happy Valentine's Day. I bet nobody wished you like that. Firstly, as much as all you guys would love me to introduce my boyfriend to you, he's non-existent. And secondly, all of you would ask me probably, what are my plans for this Valentine's? Nothing. Ille. I think today on Valentine's Day, I would be uploading my video and sleeping at home. Those are my plans. And I know not all of you guys live a sad life like mine. In that case, if you're a couple, happy Valentine's Day. And if you are a single like me, happy anti-Valentine's Day. Coming back to the video today, I'm going to talk about some of the funny things I see going on social media. And secondly, how people behave around me on the Valentine's Day or during the Valentine's week. So without any much blabbering, let's just get started. Okay, so the first thing is the Nibba Nibbi. You definitely know what I'm talking about, and if you still don't know, go and check them out. Learn to love. They teach you how to make moog. At their age, forget about love and forget about doing those kind of acts. I was still confused which pencil is better, Apsara or Natraj. At that age, I was scared there would be a tree growing out of my stomach because I swallowed a chewing gum. So you get it, right? Having said that, I had to show you guys the reel that caught all my attention. I mean the chemistry.
Stop it. Get some help.
The second thing that everybody is talking about is this Bajrang Dal thing. So I had to find out to get the joke. I asked my best friend what it was and she told me that they are a group of people. I think it's an organization that goes out, and if they see any couple, being physical on the roads and all, they go and they start chasing them and kind of hitting them or something. I mean, that's bad. But from a single's point of view, I don't know. You tell me. Now this thing is hilarious. Now you know the way I tell people I'm single and people know that I'm single. But I did not know Instagram algorithm was taking notes. So I come across this ad, rent a boyfriend. Thing blew my mind and my ankodios together. Ankodios are small intestine or large intestine? Yeah, you get my point. Okay, let's just read what was written in the ad. Rent a boyfriend this Valentine's Day and get a free iPhone 12 Pro. Okay, no, it's too good to be true, but wait. All the single ladies, put your hands up and contact me if you like a boyfriend on this Valentine's Day. I've never had a girlfriend in my life and I know what it feels like to be single. La 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 la, la 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 la. Wait, what? Over the past 3 years, I've been on 45 dates with some amazing women. Buddy, you're telling me out of those 45, none of them worked for you? So according to him, his services include things to make you feel cared and loved. And then on the next line he says he's been with 45 women and the next person renting him would be 46. That does not sound very special to me. I mean, my ankodios are still blown. I don't understand this level of confidence. My question is to you guys or girls, would you ever rent a girlfriend or a boyfriend? Like, let me know in the comments. Oh my god, finally it's the Valentine's week. Love is going to be in the air. Happy Rose Day! So what are your plans for this Valentine? I don't know, my boyfriend is going to plan some great things for me. I mean, you know what day it is. Happy Hug Day! Happy Teddy Day to you! And we already give promise rings to each other even before the promise day. He's the one that I'm going to spend my life with. Wait, did you hear that? Happy Valentine's Day, my love. No, I just got the flowers you sent to my office. Thank you so much. Actually, I'll properly wish you later because I have an Excel sheet to submit right now, okay? Yeah. Bye. Love you too. Yeah. हेलो जानू, हैप्पी वैलेंटाइंस डे मेरे सोना, मेरा बाबू. आई लव यू सो मच, आई लव यू अ लॉट. नहीं, आई लव यू मोर. ज्यादा बाबू, आई लव यू इन्फिनिटी. चुप, बिल्कुल चुप. Happy Valentine's Day, bro. You are only my Valentine. Bro, happy Valentine's Day, bro. The party started. But wait, did you get your Valentine? Because my Valentine is right here. Of course I got my Valentine, bro. She's right here. Hey, bro. Hey, you are only my Valentine. I told you, we don't need these girls and all. Come. True, bro, true. Single life is the best life. Cheers, bro. Cute couples. You don't have any work about cute couples. From outside it looks cute. Inside it's all thorns and misery. You don't know anything. These couples na, दोन दिसा मोग आणि मागीर सगळो फोग. You understand what you want to understand from that line. Dude, this Valentine's Day is a scam. You know how much the prices of jewelry and all rise up and how much it sells and all? It's all business. Single life is the best, okay? I don't need any man to take me out for a date. I will take myself out for a date because I love me. Come here, I'll show you cute couples. You know this girl? You saw her at the Momo Man with the other guy, na? See, happy Valentine's Day. So, cute couples. Chocolate is a nice flavor, huh? Yeah, baby, I just miss you so much. Listen now, baby, I cannot wait to meet you tomorrow. Yeah, good night. Yeah, I love you so much, baby. Yeah, bye. Okay, let's plan my Valentine's Day. 6 to 7, Rashmi. 7 to 8, Rachel. 8 to 9, I think Natasha. Who's calling? Hello? Oh, baby, this is you. This is your other number or what? Of course I recognize you. You're my loving, darling Sharon, right?
Oh shit!
Darren? Yeah, come. No, my friend Darren has come. You said, who's on the line? Rashmi. How can I not forget your voice? Is that I call you my love so many times, I forget your name only. This Rashmi called me from another number. That means I'm missing Sharon. Should I put Sharon? Breakfast date is sure. Hello, Oyo Rooms? So red guy bautai mari aju. This guy, man, this neighbor's son, this Philomena's son, no? Yesterday he was with someone else and he atani kona git bonta. Red gun bonta these kids. No shame on it. My pie, what they give, I don't know. Valentine's Day it seems. Why to make this Valentine's Day? I don't know. After marriage do no? Oh, before marriage they making. Kon mage rokdo christening day korpa pada tinga. Mom and Dad, I'm going for my friend's birthday. I'll come soon. I'll come before midnight, okay? Birthday it seems. Valentine's Day keso birthday karpa toy jana. Baba, I'm the pie. Eshkono muge hair zalo na white, Okay, Baba, don't forget to take that chocolate box, some sutra, some chocolate I found in your pant.
Oh shit!
Yeah, you told me for the chodu you take, no? Birthday gift. Take, don't forget, And see re, Baba, don't eat those chocolate you too much, Don't what chado tha mari tu gele. Okay. तेरे zin ती don't chado pa chocolate no ती nervo chado pa chocolate. And that is all I had for you guys today. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and if you did, do hit the like button. Share this video with all your friends and family who can get the jokes. And comment down below, let me know your favorite part about this video. For the couples, I hope you all had a great Valentine's Day. And for the singles, I hope you all did not have a sad one. You know, it's okay. It's okay. Just a day. It's gonna pass by. Alright, until then, Moog and peace. See you next Sunday. Bye.